Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking. In this series, Creative Cooking puts a new spin on how you can use traditional Jamaican foods to make interesting meals. Stay tuned now for your host, Mazie Miller.
Thanks for joining us today on Creative Cooking. My special guest is Mr. Courtney Cousins. He is the winner of the Grace Jack on the Block cooking competition. Mr. Cousins, welcome to the program. We couldn't wait to have you here, eh?
Good morning, Miss Mazie. Thank you a lot to be on this program today.
He's here today to prepare the dish that he entered the competition in and came first. What is the name of the dish?
Jack Mackerel Patty.
Grace Jack Mackerel Patty. Can you imagine? Mr. Cousins, over to you.
We're going to use, first of all, my onion, scallion, and my garlic, and my pepper. I'm going to blend them in the blender to get them like this.
Okay.
That's far.
Smells good.
I'm gonna pour a little of the Grace green pepper sauce. Just a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna pour it on the mackerel now. Okay. The mackerel already, you're gonna debone the mackerel, so it's already prepared.
You debone the mackerel?
Okay. Yes, I'm gonna pour it on it now. Like this. Okay. The Grace Mayonnaise you're gonna use.
The spoon is right there.
Okay, I'm gonna pour just a spoon here. Not too much, because if you put too much on, it's gonna be too watery. So you have to know what to do. Stir it up. Okay, that is okay. That is okay now. Next, you're gonna get the flour. You're gonna prepare the dough. Just a little bit of salt.
So about how much flour are you using?
Just around half a pound for now.
Yes.
Okay. You're gonna get the water.
So you need a little.
Yeah, you need it coming perfectly.
So hold on a second. After you mix the flour, the salt, you put the margarine, you play with it kind of to mix it in.
You're gonna make it set for about 10 minutes.
Yes, man. Yeah.
And the butter will soak in the flour.
Yes.
So when you fry it, it's that crispy.
So to 1 pound of flour, you use about 1 tablespoon?
Yeah, 1 tablespoon.
All right. You want me to heat the oil for you while?
Yeah, you can turn on the stove now, please. All right, the flour ready now, so you're gonna put it down.
Okay.
If you want, you can also cover it.
Yes, all right.
Cover it, let it
relax, eh?
Relax there for 10 minutes.
Oh, so you're flouring your work surface? Yeah.
Like that.
Why you flour it? To prevent it from...
prevent non-stick on the board here.
Okay, good.
It's much better flour in the air.
Okay.
All the rollers, you're gonna just pour a little flour, just keep the roller.
Rolling pin.
Yeah, the rolling pin so it don't stick on it.
Okay.
Mold it over again.
You see how manageable it is? So when you shape them, you know, they're much... Yeah.
It's good.
Yes.
So you're gonna take off a piece here.
Okay, all right. Here.
Make it like a dumpling like this.
Yes.
You're gonna put it down.
Yes.
I'm gonna, see?
Roll it out. That's the right size that you want? Okay.
Okay.
Well, Mr. Cousins, I hear that the day you won the competition, and I hear about people were just rushing you. They want to taste one of the patties, right?
Guys, they're wondering what name mackerel patty. Now we're gonna get the mackerel now.
Okay.
I'm gonna put a little. I can't put too much in it.
All right.
Because it's come out. So you're gonna put a little there.
Yes.
Like that.
So you use the fork to seal the edges, yes.
Yeah.
I hear you. Wow. Oh, that's the first one. Wow.
Turn down the fire, please. I'm gonna make a next one. You know, the first one always normally when you're doing cooking, the first thing always kind of, you know, not so perfect as doing the second one.
Yeah. It's on her.
A little bit more mackerel now in this one.
So after you have doubled it,
Yeah.
you shape it into a patty, you fasten the edge with with a fork. And you prick the surface, yes. What a beautiful colors, the Soupy. Oh, that's a pretty color. You're making one more.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to drain this.
Already.
Wow, wow, wow.
There, that one.
Let me tell you, this looks like a real cat. You know, this is such a creative idea, so different. You can imagine a child getting one of this for lunch? Or you serve it for breakfast?
Anything you can serve right now.
Anything you can
and just
serve.
buy a Grace Tropical rhythm.
Oh,
Put your patty in a bag and head on down the street meanwhile.
Ooh, Soupy, come
Good to
on.
go.
Good to go. Soupy made this salad, you know, before we started the program and set it aside in the refrigerator. I am just going to put it.
Jamaican color that too.
Right. We don't need to slice the tomatoes right now. When we are serving at the table, we can always do the slicing. Ready to do the plating now.
Okay.
Over to you.
One,
Now,
2.
So you're giving each person one patty.
One patty.
Yes. Lettuce leaves, emphasizing the importance of the vegetables. Yes. Red and green peppers. Red, green, and yellow peppers. Yes.
Okay. Make it so delicious. Make the meal look so enticing.
Yeah.
When I see this, I'm gonna drink the water, you know.
Oh.
Cause I'm gonna love it, Miss Lucy, you know. Creative cooking. I'm turning on make fashion. Good to go. Good to go.
So Soupy, now that you have put on all those vegetables, you're ready to slice the tomatoes now. All right, good. Yeah.
Okay. Good to go. Thanks.
Okay, you're welcome. Beautiful tomatoes, eh?
Okay.
That is so beautiful.
That will do.
Okay, good.
That's it. Here's my one here,
Yes.
one here, and one here. That's good to go.
Yes. Okay, get this
Good
out
to go.
of the way.
The patty is right there.
A healthy, satisfying, and a balanced meal where you have used the flour, which is your source of carbohydrate, the mackerel, which is your protein source, and you have emphasized the importance of the vegetables. So you have used tomatoes, lettuce, you have used red, green, and yellow peppers.
And excellent. Onion also.
And the onions also. Excellent technique, an excellent recipe using basic ingredients found in almost every household. And you have done a meal that is creative and different. Mr. Cousins, we sincerely thank you. Thank you for sharing. You can understand why he came first in the competition.
Patty sell off.
Patty sell off.
Patty eat off.
His wife, I hear your wife ran on stage and embraced you, right?
Because she feels so proud of me.
Okay.
To do Mackerel Patty.
Excellent job. And we want to encourage you in your business.
Yeah, also in the community, they want to make some patty for them right now. Every Saturday they encourage me to make some more patty. Because them say it tastes good.
Okay, very good. Thanks for coming and for sharing with all of Jamaica this very creative meal idea. And you know we can't wait to eat. But as soon as the program is over, we are all going to have a mackerel patty. I suppose you'll spend a little time and make some for the entire crew, right?
I will do that.
Okay. It was our pleasure being with you today. Thanks for joining us, and please join us next time as we share another creative idea with you.
Traditional Jamaican foods, new ways to prepare them, something different for you to try out and enjoy at home. Hope you enjoyed today's creative cooking and that you'll join us again next Monday morning at 7:35 with a repeat on Sundays at 2:20 p.m. here on TVJ. That's creative cooking. Don't miss it.